In this video, I will go over how to link your bank account to Robinhood. To do this on the app, just gonna open up the app and then click on account in the bottom right. Now for you this may look a little bit different since this is the EU version and you're probably on the US version, but what you're gonna do is tap menu or the three lines and then go to transfers. From there tap linked accounts and then click add new account. Then just select your bank from the list, so if your bank appears, then log in with your online banking username and password to link instantly. If your bank doesn't appear, choose other banks and enter your routing number plus account number, and from there simply go and confirm it. If you enter manually, Robinhood will make 2 small test deposits into your bank, and you will then need to verify them in the app to finish linking. Now if you're doing it on the website, go to account, select banking and add account and follow the same steps that I just mentioned. So that's how you can link your bank account to Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.